Hi, I'm Dr. Thenmozhi. I'm here to share my experience about Train the Trainer program. With the changing world scenario and the growing demand for online training, Train the Trainer program is the need of the hour. The 5 weeks program is designed in such a way that we can say it truly international. Week 1, we identified the niche area, and I was identified as a social wellness coach and slowly transformed myself into an independency coach. Week 2, we identified the target audience and we named our course, designed it. There was a ready-made template given to us and we designed the course based on the template. We were given hands-on training about how to record our introduction videos. And week 3, we were given various skill set of being a successful trainer. We were taught tips and techniques of becoming a successful trainer, how to tell a story, how to engage the audience with a lot of games and other things. And week 4, it is a packed week with full of digital marketing techniques and how to go online, how to use all the digital platforms effectively was given and hands-on training. Week 5, we were designed all promotional and sales pitch activities, all the techniques, nuances of sales and promotional building of posters were given. The whole 5 weeks were fully packed with lot of information, and it was designed in such a way that each and every week, if we give 100% commitment, at the end of 5 weeks, we are guaranteed to have a course for ourselves. I would wholeheartedly thank Dr. Poorani for building such a wonderful course and giving a truly international course. Thank you, Dr. Poorani.